Tired of the same old ringtone on your Android phone? What if you could use your favorite song or music file as your ringtone in less than a minute? Here's how. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, scroll down and tap Sounds and Vibration. After that, select Ringtone. You'll now see all the default ringtones that come with your phone. To add your own music, tap the plus button. Now, browse through your files and find the song or audio file you want to use as your ringtone. Once you find it, select it. On the next screen, you'll see an option called Play Selected Highlights Only. If you want the entire song to be used as your ringtone, simply remove the checkmark from that option. But if you'd rather have Android automatically use what it thinks is the best part of the song, just leave it checked. Once you're happy with your choice, tap Done. And that's it! Your favorite song is now set as your ringtone, making your phone feel a little more personal every time someone calls. Now every call can start with your favorite music instead of a boring default ringtone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Android tips and tricks. See you in the next one.